Shubor nakaslem jong Nong Hima.
General Secretary ke BJP Meghalaya uba Wankitbok poshna uloong ba menteri kampo yang ke sarkar pedeng Amit Shah uladak betha ban phak penphai biang ya kitu ki brio sheki jaka pakiwan uba poshna ulayat hu bakaseng kala ai da kajing tho sha ka sarkar jilla bat ki kermen bakan don kajing shimkhia ka parti ru hala ka jong ka benta kala shimkhia da ka babatha ikinong ilam ka seng ha ki constituency ki badan ha khaput bakin pet perman bat lada don kino ki ba ishan khmat ki de ban pentip uloong ru ba kila kermen baga sarkar kan shimkhia bat kumju ru ki bor sipai ki ba pahara ha khaput uba poshna uloong bakilai I haki social media ya ka Jingbyrngem jengki brio na Bangladesh bat kum kinong ilam ki Sngew samut yaki namar ngidon ha kari ka baskem ha ka bayadei bat ka north east kade ka benta jong kari India kitu ki baberthen ka sarkar India kalapet benia halor kani shu uloong baka sarkar kami kala shimkhia ha ka bayadei baka jingja ha Bangladesh nadu bawan ka sarkar BJP kila shimkhia ban ke ki khaput bad ki kampen roy ru kila kieu haki khaput
Amit Shah ji ula ada ai ka direction ban detect and report ne ting Nagaland party jung la shimkhia. In fact we have also written to the state government but ngi kerman ba ka adang ka don ka jing shimkhia nama ba class to him Nagaland state jung lete kalong very porous te Nagaland jong ka party hi kum ka party ngiru ngi shimkhia ba number khamta mi gitu ki constituency jungi ki bahap border ni la emphasize ki committees jungi baki long ki bapet parman. In fact if there's any information ka baki don ki baki suthu kadang we are working on that ni long concern ni kata but ni kerman ba the government will take stringent actions as soon as possible Nagaland state but khamtam Nagaland ki security forces Bayade berkata kucing kempe nomor mengisi apa ki social media the official verification ni gitu ni padon then maybe lada kalapoi kum kata report official report then obviously we have to take note Nagaland sarkar ni hi kala shimkhia habede berka Bangladesh in fact hadin bakawan ka sarkar BJP hapo center hi then only ka international border fencing was taken as serious note. The people hakanu hi ka badi but ka infrastructure development hapo gi border area su kalakhan hadin bakawan hi ka sarkar BJP. Te ngathai work is going on. We expect border fencing will be completing with the passage of time. Ya nama kajing perthan jo ki nilai hi lemba ki social media te ngim numla ban pedang dalili namar ba kajing perthan jong kitu ki beri gi baya persha ya ka system jong ki pa Bangladesh nginum dei bandan benta hoy ni pet perman but ka tu ka Jingbyrngem khamtam in fact larger picture ba seven sisters should be na thai ka tu de ting ka ba so pen Samrkhie yangi namar ba ni dan hi kari ka ba scam abede but security but northeast is an integral part of India te num dan bala ba num dan manu bala betul but kitu ki Jingbyrngem ki de tang ki maybe I don't understand kata situation hangta nomor ka situation about Bangladesh minta kalau very volatile there's no government there I'm sure the central government is taking note of all this. Nagaland party state unit jungi long very concerned regarding the border jungi. Habede ka Bangladesh. But ni kerman ba kani fencing kan ng hamster. Ni kerman ba ki pat ba situ kin khamsuthu ba ka fencing gari budon ka.
To film